Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Destiny 2. Whether you are switching accounts, troubleshooting, or just taking a break, you can easily log out of Destiny 2 application. Launch open the Destiny 2 app on a device first, and then once you're in the portal page, go to the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Now, click on the account settings button from the top, and on the next page, you'll see the sign out button at the very bottom. Tap on sign out and then confirm by tapping yes in the pop-up to sign yourself out of your Destiny 2 account. Now you'll be redirected to this sign in page. If you ever want to sign in back again, you'll need to go ahead and tap on sign in with Bungie.net at the very top and enter your Bungie.net account's credentials. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.